Hey Henna Guys Fam, today we're going to tell you about our Brahmi Powder Hair Mask. This mask is great for helping to prevent damage while conditioning your hair at the same time. So let's show you how to mix it up. First things first, you will need a non-metallic bowl. We're using a glass bowl. You will need to measure out the Brahmi powder. These measurements should be identical to that of henna powder. Full measurements will be provided in the description box. For the purpose of this video, we will be using the entire packet. After all the Brahmi powder has been poured into the bowl, you can begin adding in your liquid. You will need to add in the liquid gradually and stir after each addition. We will want the hair mask to have a smooth texture, not clumpy. While we're stirring, let's talk about how you can benefit from the Brahmi Powder Hair Mask. Brahmi powder is great for helping to thicken the roots. It can also help to repair and reduce split ends. Brahmi powder can help with dandruff and itchy scalp, as well as it can help to encourage hair growth. Brahmi powder also helps to improve hair texture, make it more manageable, help to achieve a brighter tone, and help to create a more silky feel. Brahmi powder can also be added directly to your henna mixture to help improve your hair texture. We recommend adding in 2 tablespoons of Brahmi powder into the henna. These benefits can be seen with regular use of the Brahmi Powder Hair Mask. As you can see, we've been stirring for several minutes and the Brahmi Powder Hair Mask has a smooth texture. Once you finish stirring, you will want to let the mask rest for about 10 minutes prior to application. When applying the Brahmi Powder Hair Mask, you will want to start from the roots of your hair and work your way down to the ends. After the Brahmi Powder Hair Mask has been applied, you will want to leave it on your hair for about 30 to 45 minutes. When rinsing the Brahmi Powder Hair Mask, you will want to use warm water and work from the ends up to the root. For best results, apply the Brahmi Powder Hair Mask once to twice weekly. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on social media.